Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to remove the system CPU fan or how to remove the thermal fan assembly in Lenovo ThinkPad E480. The process includes first removing the back cover, second removing the laptop battery, and the third we will remove the thermal fan assembly or CPU fan. Let's start. First of all, flip the laptop. Now loosen all these screws. Use a proper screwdriver. After you have loosened all the screws, lift up the back cover. All you need, insert your finger in here and lift it up a bit. To remove the battery of Lenovo ThinkPad E480, simply unscrew these two screws, which are shown here. Use a proper screwdriver. Now lift the keyboard up and unplug it from the main board. And there you go, we have successfully removed the battery. Okay, now that we have successfully removed the battery, it is time to remove the CPU fan or thermal fan assembly. You need to first loosen or unscrew these 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we can remove the thermal fan assembly. After you have loosened all the screws, now you need to detach the fan cable from the main board. Use a proper screwdriver, or you can simply pull it towards yourself and it will be detached from the system. Now lift up the thermal fan assembly and here you go. We have successfully removed the system CPU fan or the thermal fan assembly. And that's it for today guys. I hope this video helped you. Thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.